In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video call on Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through the process on a computer using a web browser, and I'll share simple tips so your call looks and sounds great. Start by opening Messenger on the web. You can go straight to messenger.com or open facebook.com and click the Messenger icon to use it inside Facebook. Make sure you're signed in to your account so your chats are available. Give the page a moment to load, especially if it's your first time opening Messenger in this browser. Next, open the conversation with the person you want to video call. If you already see their chat in your list, click it to open the message thread. Inside the conversation, glance toward the top right corner of the chat window. You'll notice several action buttons there, including a small video camera icon. When you're ready, click the video camera icon to start the video call. As soon as you click it, Messenger will start ringing the other person. Keep your browser tab active so you can see the call status and any prompts that might appear. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Choose Allow so the video and audio work properly. This permission step is normal and helps keep your privacy protected. If you don't see the prompt immediately, look for a small pop-up near the address bar or check the top left of the browser window. If you accidentally dismiss the prompt, a quick page refresh will usually bring it back. Once the call connects, you'll see your video preview, and when they answer, their video as well. On-screen controls let you mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and end the call. If the other person can't see or hear you, double-check that your camera lens isn't covered, your mic isn't muted, and your volume is up. For the best experience, sit in a well-lit spot with your light source in front of you and try to keep background noise to a minimum. A stable internet connection makes a big difference, and using headphones can help reduce echoes. If your video appears choppy, closing extra tabs or apps may free up bandwidth. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger on the web, select your conversation, click the video camera icon, and allow your browser to use the camera and mic. With those quick steps, you're ready to make a clear, smooth video call on Facebook Messenger.